If something is in the bag, it means that you are certain you will get it or achieve it. For example, you could say, "This interview is in the bag. I'm getting this job."
If you say something is a mixed bag, it could mean it has either an assortment of things or it has both good and bad qualities. For example, you could say his performance on the test was a mixed bag.
If you're left holding the bag, it means that you are left responsible for something, usually in an unfair way. For example, you could say, "When the presentation didn't go well, the group left Alex holding the bag."
If you let the cat out of the bag, it means that you let a secret out, usually by accident.
Thanks for watching. We hope you have these expressions in the bag.